Hi, so I'm Kaushik Datta and I'm a lifestyle and mindset coach. Today I'm going to talk about 4 simple tips what can help to boost self-esteem for a mother. Now you can ask me, Kaushik, being a male, how can you talk so much about mothers? See, first of all, I do my survey where I try to find those questions those are being asked by most of the mothers. Then I try to find scientific solutions. So once I come up with all the solutions, I try to have a discussion with all the mothers who are there in my circle. I try to have a discussion with my wife. Then I come to a practical solution, because we need those questions to be answered in a scientific, in a practical way. We need to find out those answers because mothers, they are the root of our family and for our nation and of course for the world. So it's a high time to do something for mothers. So today I'll talk about 4 tips which can boost mother's self-esteem. So why we need to talk about mother's self-esteem? First of all, see, there was a research where they collected all the data and they found out that mother's self-esteem, it starts going down during pregnancy and post pregnancy, and sometimes it comes back after 6 months, and sometimes it remains as it is for a long time. So it is a real issue what should be discussed, and we should come up with some solutions those are practical and realistic. So stay till the end to find out all those tips which you can implement in your life and that can change your life, that can boost your self-esteem. But before going further, I'd like to tell you I am building my community for the mothers, because if you feel that you're not able to lose your weight, you're not able to manage your time well, then you are more than welcome in my community. We are trying to build a tribe for mothers where we have like-minded people who are trying to get a better version of themselves. So you will find a link below where you can join my group, my Facebook community, and at the same time, if you feel that there is a huge problem for you to manage your time, you can download that free ebook. That this link is already there. So now I'll talk about 4 tips. The first tip is stop comparing yourself with Instagram and Facebook profiles. If you compare yourself with any Facebook or Instagram ads, then just make yourself sure that you are comparing yourself with a scripted mom, because these advertisements or everything, they're being scripted and they want you to see something which is not practical, which is not real. It's scripted. And other parts, if you start comparing yourself with any other moms, with your friends or somebody, then just believe that what people post on Instagram, on Facebook, that is not the whole picture. Because have you ever seen that people have posted their photos while cleaning poops or changing nappies? So be realistic. Each and everybody has their other sides, but people love to show only the brighter side on social networks, social sites. So be rest assured that each and everybody is human. So and you are a human too. So don't compare yourself with anyone. Second is body image. That is one of the major reasons why mothers start losing their self-esteem. You need to understand that you have given a birth to a human. That's how nature works. So there has to be some changes in you, and it's quite acceptable. But at the same time, you need to value yourself. You need to do something to love yourself, because once you start taking a little bit of care for yourself, that can be a simple balanced meal or a little bit of exercise routine or systematic routine, then you start feeling that self-love, and in terms that will give the boost to your self-esteem. The second point, the second is treat your body with respect. Never ever just abuse your body. Never ever say I'm fat, I have this stretch marks, and never ever, because your body, it can listen to these talks. So you need to love yourself. Once you start loving yourself, then only it's possible to see that transformation. Believe me, that is the psychological fact. Because if you cannot love yourself, that hormonal secretion will create an unbalance. You cannot lose your fat. You need to accept, you need to embrace, then you need to change. The third is short message. Write a small message for yourself. You can write anything like I am beautiful, whatever you feel like. That message will give you that happiness, that goosebumps, and stick it somewhere on your mirror or somewhere which you can see daily wise. The fourth one is be aware of your self-talk. Whenever you feel that you are talking something negative about your body to somebody, or you are seeking for validation from anybody, just be aware of it. Replace that talks with some good talks. Try to find out what are the good qualities you have. Of course you have, each and everybody has some good things in them. So you need to find out what is that which you have in you, and try to remind yourself so that you can replace that negative talks with that positive one. That's it for that body image. Now be a little selfish. It's okay to be, कभी कभी खुद गर्ज होना ज़रूरी होता है. You can take a 1-day break, at least 8 to 10 hours break. You can ask some of your relatives or somebody to stay at your home, and you can do what you used to do before being a mother. Before becoming a mother, what you used to do, like if you're hanging out with, if you want to hang out with your friends, or you want to read some books, or you want to go, you want to eat something, you want to go for a parlor, or whatever you like, do something what you used to do. That is kind of, just take it like a recharging your battery, because that will give you that fuel which will drive you for the rest of this week. Try to find that 8 or 10 hours just for you. Remind yourself you are doing your best. That is very important. It is okay to not know that proper breakfast which will make your kids bone strong. It's okay. We have internet for that. It's okay to be a mother who doesn't know everything. It's okay, but remind yourself you are doing your best. You are doing your best. That matters, nothing else. Actually, I was done with this video, but when I was editing it, I found out that mothers need a tool which will tell them that how much self-esteem they have right now. So I have prepared a PDF file which I am going to attach with this video. You can find it from the link below, and you just get it downloaded and just answer those some questions, the 7-8 questions, and you'll find out your points, and that will tell you how much self-esteem you have right now. Then you can take actions as per your self-esteem. God bless you. Take care. And this is your action time. Yes, this is your action time. The action what you need to take now, there is a link. If you are a mother and if you are really struggling with your time, with your weight loss journey, or some negative self-talk, join my group, join my Facebook group, and where you will find out many more mothers who really want to change, who really want to find a better versions of themselves. At the same time, you will have a correct path to follow, which will give you that boost so that you can transform yourself. You can find that better version of yourself. You are more than welcome in my community. Thank you very much. Stay blessed, take care. And just whenever you feel like you're a little bit low, just pat on your back. You have done an amazing job, and I'm really thankful to all of your mothers. Thank you so much. Bye bye.